What's up, my peeps? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, you guys, so today what I'm gonna do is show you how I cook okra and saltfish. So that's my saltfish. So almost a pound of saltfish. So I rinse it off with cold water, and then I put it on the fire to boil. Upon boiling, I start getting my okra ready. So what I do, I cut the top and the bottom off of the okra. I wash them, and then I dice them up. Depends on the size of the okra. I'll cut them in maybe 3 or 4 or 5. It depends on the size. There you go. Then I get my seasoning ready, which is my onion, my pepper, my tomato, and a little piece of thyme. And there you go. I start cleaning up my saltfish, take off the skin, and then I rinse it off with some cold water. I pick it up small, and then I get a pot with some oil, let the pot well hot, and then I start frying up my saltfish. I let my saltfish kind of get some color, a little light brown look, and then I put my seasoning in, and I keep turning that up. Put a little tip of Maggi all-purpose in, and I just turn that up, stir it up, stir it up. Let every season get blending together. And then about 2 minutes, while the seasoning is cooking, I give it about 2 minutes, and then I add my okra into it. I used to boil the okra, but I don't do that anymore because I'm boiling out the good stuff. And okra take less than 3 minutes to cook. So because it's not into the water and I have to put it in just into the oil, it take a little longer. But I just keep stir it with the seasoning and blend it in, turn down the fire, and just let it stay there for maybe about 12 to 15 minutes on a low fire. And then there you have it. I add a little black pepper to it, stir it up again, and cover it up. In the middle of it, like about 8 minutes, I add the black pepper, and then I just stir it up again, turn it up, and then cover it up for another maybe 5 minutes. And that's it. There you have it. That's how I cook my okra and my saltfish. What do I eat that with? Dumpling, yam, and banana. So there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy my video. Bye-bye.